Hyaluronic acid has become a celebrated ingredient in skincare for its extraordinary capacity to attract and retain moisture, giving skin a plump, dewy, and youthful appearance. As a naturally occurring glycosaminoglycan found in connective tissues, hyaluronic acid, HA, functions as a biological sponge, capable of holding up to 1,000 times its weight in water. In the skin, it resides primarily in the dermis and helps to maintain structure, smoothness, and resilience by hydrating surrounding cells and filling extracellular space. But while topical HA products can enhance surface hydration, true skin transformation begins from within, through nutrition that supports the body's own hyaluronic acid production and preservation. As we age, the natural synthesis of hyaluronic acid declines significantly, beginning as early as our 20s. This leads to a progressive loss of skin volume, elasticity, and moisture retention, contributing to fine lines, dullness, and a rougher texture. However, certain nutrients and dietary patterns can help the body rebuild its own hyaluronic acid reserves by supporting the enzymes and metabolic pathways involved in HA synthesis. In particular, magnesium, zinc, vitamin C, and specific amino acids such as proline and glycine play critical roles in producing and stabilizing HA within the skin and other tissues. A consistent intake of these nutrients through whole foods enhances the body's ability to replenish what time and stress gradually erode. One of the most overlooked allies in boosting natural HA production is magnesium. This mineral acts as a cofactor in hundreds of enzymatic reactions, including those necessary for synthesizing HA and collagen. Leafy greens like spinach and Swiss chard, nuts, seeds, and legumes are rich in magnesium and provide foundational support for dermal hydration. Inadequate magnesium levels not only limit HA production but also impair the skin's ability to retain moisture and recover from inflammation. Ensuring adequate magnesium through diet is therefore essential for both building and maintaining the skin's natural water-binding matrix. Root vegetables, especially starchy ones like sweet potatoes, carrots, jicama, and Jerusalem artichokes, are also beneficial for stimulating HA synthesis. These foods are high in complex carbohydrates that serve as precursors to glycosaminoglycans like hyaluronic acid. Some also contain prebiotic fibers that nourish beneficial gut bacteria, which in turn can influence the body's production of short-chain fatty acids. These fatty acids are believed to promote skin hydration and barrier repair indirectly, highlighting the synergy between digestion, nutrient processing, and skin health. Vitamin C, long associated with collagen synthesis, also plays a direct and indirect role in hyaluronic acid regulation. It protects the cells that produce HA from oxidative stress and helps stabilize the extracellular matrix in which HA resides. Foods like bell peppers, kiwi, oranges, strawberries, and broccoli provide potent doses of this essential vitamin and work in harmony with other antioxidants to maintain a hydrated, plump dermal environment. Without enough vitamin C, HA production falters, and the skin may become more vulnerable to damage and dehydration. Bone broth, a natural source of both collagen and glycosaminoglycans, offers a particularly bioavailable form of hyaluronic acid. When simmered for long periods, the connective tissues of bones release HA, along with other skin-supporting compounds like chondroitin and gelatin. Consuming bone broth regularly can provide small amounts of intact HA and also supply the amino acids needed to stimulate the body's own production. This internal nourishment complements any topical routine and gives the skin access to hydration resources from deeper layers. Fermented soy products such as miso and natto have also been shown to influence HA levels positively. Natto, in particular, contains an enzyme called nattokinase and compounds that appear to promote endogenous HA production while supporting cardiovascular health and circulation. Improved microcirculation enhances the delivery of nutrients and moisture to the skin, making HA synthesis more efficient and visible in skin texture and suppleness. Even hydration itself, the most basic and essential support, plays a non-negotiable role. Water intake provides the medium in which hyaluronic acid functions. Without sufficient hydration from fluids and water-rich foods like cucumbers, lettuce, melons, and citrus fruits, HA cannot perform its function effectively, no matter how much is produced. This interplay between hydration, mineral intake, and nutrient support forms a comprehensive foundation for sustaining HA levels and maximizing skin's plumpness naturally. In summary, hyaluronic acid is not only a miracle molecule for hydration, It is a responsive, living component of skin health that can be supported, stimulated, and maintained through a nutrient-rich, strategically designed diet. By emphasizing magnesium-rich plants, vitamin C-laden fruits and vegetables, starchy roots, fermented soy, and amino acid-rich broths, one can activate the body's own capacity to generate HA at the cellular level. This internal strategy not only enhances the effectiveness of topical treatments, but also builds a deeper reservoir of dermal hydration, allowing skin to appear smoother, more elastic, and more luminous over time. The plumping power of hyaluronic acid, then, is not just a matter of skincare, it is a reflection of nutritional harmony and biochemical vitality that begins from within.